Here we submit sweet greeting to the gentlemen and leaders, those peacefully participated in our graduation ceremony today. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. This time we would like to say something about our beloved Madaris Medina Hassan Shahzman Aliyu Mr. Abdurrahman Mahmoud Usman.
Yes, Mano Muhammad Ali, who I came out from my stomach and drank a milk. Mother is the only person who is able to understand your theories without asking you the situation you are in. Mother always loves her children even with disadvantages and enjoyed times.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about the value of mother and says in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Isra, ayah number 23 and 4, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
The most unlucky person in life is not someone who has lost an exam or something else, but it is someone who saw his parents alive and unable to get their blessing. All mothers are like they buckle down for how we would be well talented, so we love you, Mama.